Hey there. So you're thinking about getting a smart doorbell, huh? Well, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to help you figure out if a smart doorbell is a must-have for your home or just a bunch of overhyped tech. First, let's talk about the pros. Smart doorbells are all about security and convenience. Imagine you're at work and you get a notification on your phone that someone's at your door. You can see who's there and even talk to them without being anywhere near home. That's a game changer for keeping those pesky package thieves at bay. Another big plus is the integration with other smart home systems. If you've got a smart home setup, adding a smart doorbell can really tie everything together. Picture this. Your doorbell detects motion and it triggers your smart lights to turn on. Pretty cool, right? Now let's flip the coin and discuss the cons. First off, the cost. Smart doorbells can be pretty pricey, and that's not even counting potential subscription fees for cloud storage of your video footage. And let's be honest, subscriptions can add up quickly. Privacy is another concern. With a smart doorbell, you're essentially placing a camera at your front door. Some people aren't comfortable with the idea of recording everything that happens outside their home. Plus, there's always the risk of hacking. You need to make sure you're using strong passwords and keeping your software up to date to avoid any unwanted intrusions. Then there's the question of reliability. What happens if your Wi-Fi goes down? Or there's a power cut? Your smart doorbell isn't going to be very smart if it can't connect to the internet. So do you really need a smart doorbell? It depends on what you're looking for. If security and convenience are top priorities for you, and you're willing to make the investment, a smart doorbell could be a great addition to your home. But if you're concerned about privacy, cost, or reliability, it might be worth sticking with a traditional doorbell for now. Ultimately, it's all about weighing the pros and cons and deciding what's best for your situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content. See you next time.